Welcome back to my channel. My name is John Ricotino, and for today's video, I will teach you how to record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Microsoft PowerPoint is a well-known productivity application which primarily developed to make presentations. One of the hidden features of Microsoft PowerPoint is screen recording. It allows you to record your screen, including your voice. This is what I'm using to record our video for today. I will show you now how you can record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. I believe this feature is available starting from Microsoft Office 2016. The Microsoft Office that I'm currently using is Office 365. Once you open the app, click the Insert ribbon. From there, look for Media and click it. Under Media, you will see an option for screen recording. Click the screen recording and it will show you a dock which has the functions for screen recording. There are several functions that you can use, such as record button or pause, stop button, select custom area button, audio button from the microphone, and the record pointer. You can access the dock when you place your mouse on the upper part of the screen, and it will automatically hide. Use the keyboard shortcut to avoid the appearance of the dock. Let us try to record our screen. This is just a test recording. Microsoft PowerPoint is a well-known productivity application which primarily developed to make presentations. Once you stop recording, the video will automatically go to your PowerPoint presentation. You can do several recordings in one PowerPoint presentation. Just add new slides for the placement of the recorded screen video. When you're done recording, you can save your video collectively as MP4. The PowerPoint presentation will be converted to a video file. Click the File ribbon and click Save As. Select the folder where you will save the video. Rename the video as Sample Video and change the file type. Then select MP4 and click Save. Let us wait for the video to be saved. Let us check if the video is playing. As you can see, the screen recorded from our PowerPoint presentation is now playing as MP4. That ends our video for today. I hope this video helped you on how to record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you on my next video.